Hello friends, Jai Sri Ram. I'm Rajesh Pandey. I'm here to guide you about some of the important tricks and tips of CBSE examinations going to be held from 21st March, that is for 10th examinations. It's given here. You can see that February 21st, and about class 12th, that is upper class, that exam is going to be held from February 15th till it will continue till April 4th. So I'm going to tell you two major things about CBSE examinations. Please refer these links, and these links are going to give you the exact idea about your examination marking system and the timetable. So please follow this video, please follow the further links to see the main important things. Without doing this, it would be very difficult to understand the marking system of CBSE board. This time there are few new rules and regulations to be set, and please forward my this message, please forward my this video to your CBSE students, those who are going to have their exams in upcoming days. So I can tell you the things. There is some note. This note, we should take care of it. CBSE has made some minor changes to check their unfair means, apart from coming with 3-tier security check to ensure no paper leak. Every time we hear that there is a paper leak, this happened, that happened. So this time no paper leak is going to happen. For that, there is a security system set up by the CBSE board. So if you're some important tips I'm going to explain you. There are 4 things: class 10 sample question paper, then class 12 sample paper, then class 10 marking system, then class 12 marking system. So first I would say how the sample papers are going to be, and I would prefer and I would request you to see the sample paper first. It would give you the immense knowledge about the things, about the way how it is going to, and this link will cater all the things, like all the important subjects where you can see these things. So see, this is a sample question paper, and the same link will just carry forward for sample paper as well as the marking system. So you can just click, let us take science, my favorite subject, science. I'll give SQP, means sample question paper. So I'm just going to click on SQP. There is subject question paper. It is just downloading. It will be available within seconds. So it's there with us. So please forward this message to your friends so that they should not be in dark and they should understand how the thing. This is exactly how paper will be available. Okay, 3 hours paper would be there. Science class 10 paper 19 is the year. Okay, maximum marks is 80, 20 will be allotted from some other way, that is internal marks or the assignments or the projects. So section A, B, or something like that, section C, or this is the paper house, section D and section E, and this is the final or. So this is the way about the sample question paper. You can see for all the subjects. I would request you to see before going for the examinations. This is the marking system for science. I will show it here. Later on you can see the other things. For any other further things, you can comment me for further things that, sir, I want this link. Yeah, I wanted to have. This is the marking system. For this section A, for first and second, you will get 1 marks. If this is the answer sheet also, so you are getting one entire solved question paper set. Section B, it is of 1 marks again. When you'll go to question 4, it is of 2 marks, asking about zygote, that is biology. It may be in plants also, it may be in human also, zygote. So next is section C. Again, the section C is having first question is of 3 marks, and increasingly going ahead we are having questions of 3 marks. That is question set, like mathematical questions. Rest of the things are 3 marks. So be ready with these things so that you should acquire at least 95% examinations. I am sure that this video would make a lot of sense and meaningful results for you people. So just keep on seeing my channel. Please subscribe if you have not done yet, and for further things you can comment, you can ask your queries with me. I am always available here to clear your doubts. Thanks a lot. Jai Shri Ram.